Sweet potato French toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread egg recipes and one of the most unique of the sandwich recipes and one of the most delicious of the French toast recipes and one of the most different of the breakfast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the evening snacks recipes. Today we're going to make sweet potato French toast sandwich. The ingredients are around 150 grams of sweet potato peeled and cut into pieces. Put in the sweet potato pieces into the pressure cooker. Now put in salt to taste, pinch of salt, and pour in around 100 ml of water and mix and close and cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Put in 15 grams of clarified butter or ghee into the cooked sweet potatoes. Thoroughly mash to make into a nice paste. Mix the clarified butter with the sweet potatoes thoroughly. Take one slice of bread from it and apply the sweet potato butter mixture onto the bread. Now put in another slice of bread on top and press to make the sandwich and keep it aside. Take the next slice of bread . Now apply the sweet potato clarified butter mixture onto the bread like before to make the sandwich. Do this until all the bread pieces have been made into sandwiches. Into a bowl, put in a spoon of sugar, break in an egg, Mix the sugar with the egg. Thoroughly mix until the egg is nicely mixed. Mix the sugar thoroughly. Heat the pan and pour in 20 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Dip the sandwich in the egg and put it onto the pan and let it fry. Turn it over. Let it fry further. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. After dipping in the egg mixture, pour in a little bit more oil, spread it in the pan, put in the sandwich and let it fry. Turn it over. Keep on turning from side to side. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. This is the final sweet potato French toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the sweet potato recipes and one of the most unique of the bread recipes and one of the most delicious of the snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the sandwich recipes and one of the most unique of the bread egg recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.